there, Lainey. Show us how you can walk. Oh, there you are. What you talking about? What you talking about? Why don't you go see Sissy? Go see Sissy. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna get Sissy. Yeah. There she is. Where's her Sissy? There she is. They're playing hide and seek together, I think. Where's my girls? There they are. Come on. Come on out.
I'm hiding in here.
Lena, what you doing? Can you say hi? Hi.
Mama,
Say hi.
Mama, I'm in here. I'm stuck.
Oh, what you talking about, Lena? What do you see?
Mama, Lena's gonna get me.
Hey, looking out the
Lena's
window.
gonna get me.
Is she? Come over here, Lena.
Get me.
Come on. Come on, hurry. Oh. Come on. Go get Sissy. Go get her. Get her, get her, get her. Everybody's running around.
Before my birthday, my daddy gave to me a coon cat and a parakeet. The week before my birthday,
Can
my
you
daddy
sing?
gave to me two fluffy sunnies, a coon cat and a parakeet. The night before my birthday, my daddy gave to me three bobtails.
Here, sing in the microphone.
A coon. I once had a cat named Applebee. He ran away from me. Applebee, Applebee, Applebee. Hear my plea, my little friend. Applebee, please come back to me.
You gonna dance? Dance.